Hi guys, in this video we are going to connect our hamster combat to Bybit exchange. I already did the video for Binance, but a lot of people are complaining that they didn't see it well, so I think I will have to redo that later. But then let's do the one for Bybit right now. So make sure your Bybit is verified. If your Bybit is not verified and you do this, you are at risk at losing your token. You see, the road says KYC needed. So make sure anyone you want to connect, either Binance or Bybit, is not advisable to use OKS as a Nigerian. So either Bybit or Binance, if none of them is verified, try and verify it so that you can link it before the expired date. But if not, you still be able to claim on chain, that is to turn keeper, but you might need gas fee if you're claiming to like turn keeper. But if you're claiming to exchanges like Binance or Bybit, is probably free most of the time. Even if it's not free, they are going to remove the gas fee from the coin. They will not ask you to pay. Okay, so yeah, that being said, let's get started. So you click on your Bybit exchange. Of course, you click on it. So when you get to that place, is that you click on airdrop. You get to that place, then you click on Bybit if you're connecting to Bybit. So it's going to ask, do you already have a Bybit account? And I will say yes, I already have it. So then it's going to ask me for my Bybit UID, my hamster combat address, and my memo. So let's head over to Bybit so we can copy all of this. So guys, this is my Bybit dashboard, and how you're going to copy your UID, that's the first thing they asked, is that you're going to click on this, you're going to click on this guy, that profile picture image right there. Yeah, so you're going to click on it at the top left corner right there. So once you click on it, it's going to bring you to something like this. Okay, so this is your UID right over here. It's going to give you this, and then once you click on that UID, it's going to automatically copy for you. Just click on it once and it's to copy. So once it's copied, you go back to your hamster combat and paste it there. So let's do that. So we're back here, and I'm just going to paste my Bybit UID right over here. Yeah, that's done. So now is to go and copy our hamster deposit address from Bybit. So to do this, we are going to go back to our Bybit dashboard. Yeah, why is this thing like this now? So we're going to head back to our dashboard here. So at the bottom down there, you're going to see an asset option. So you want to click on that asset, right? So once you click on it, you're going to see this deposit at the top there. You click on it, and then at the bottom down, you're going to see deposit crypto. You're going to click on the deposit crypto. So once you click on it, you can now search for the crypto, the pair you want to deposit. And of course, we want to search for hamster combat. My network is bad, that's why it's not searching. Hamster, I forgot the spelling. I think it's something like this. Let me pause this. When my network is bad, I'll play it when it's back rather. Okay, so I've searched for hamster, and you guys can see it right over here. So we're going to click on it. This is what we're depositing, and then we choose turn chain, right? Okay, so you guys can see this is our address, and this is the network, the memo. I'll make sure you input this to the memo, don't input anything else. Okay, and guys, that's it. So we just copy this and we'll go paste to hamster combat. It's as close, so I won't be doing this now because I have to open again. Literally, that's how it works, guys. I see you all on my next one. Bye.